Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to prevent your Windows 11 PC from going into sleep using Control Panel. For this, first click on this one Start button, then type here Control Panel. In the search results, click on this one Control Panel entry. In the Control Panel window, you need to set View by to this one large icons or a small icons. Then click on this one power options. Here in the left sidebar, click this one option, change when the computer sleeps. On the right side, use this one drop down, put the computer to sleep and select here never option. Then click on this one change save change button. This will stop going into sleep mode to your Windows 11 PC.